Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the most unique flowers in my garden, the balloon flower. If you've never seen one before, get ready because this plant has one of the coolest tricks in the whole garden. Before it blooms, the flower buds puff up like tiny balloons. It looks just like a little air-filled bubble sitting on the stem. Then, when it's ready, it pops open into a star-shaped flower. It's like watching nature do a magic trick right in front of you. Let's talk about where balloon flowers came from. Their scientific name is Platycodon, and they originally come from East Asia, places like China, Japan, and Korea. That's why they're sometimes called the Chinese bellflower. Even though they look delicate, they're actually really tough plants. Now, are balloon flowers annuals or perennial? They're perennials, which means they come back every year. Once you plant them and they get comfortable, they'll return each summer with new balloons and new blooms. They might take a little time to wake up in the spring, but once they start growing, they're steady and reliable. Balloon flowers grow best in zones 3 through 9, which covers a huge part of the United States, including right here in the South. They like full sun or light shade, and they prefer soil that drains well. That means they don't want their roots sitting in water. If the soil is too soggy, they won't be happy. Care is pretty simple. Water them regularly, especially when they're young, but don't overdo it. Once they're established, they can handle heat and even short dry spells. You can trim off old flowers to help new ones grow, but you don't have to do a lot of pruning. Balloon flowers are low maintenance, which are perfect for beginners. Now for some fun facts. Balloon flowers have super strong stems, which helps them stand tall even in wind or rain. Their roots can grow deep, which is one reason they come back every year. And here's a cool one. If you gently squeeze the balloon-shaped bud before it opens, it feels just like a tiny water balloon. Kids love this part, but be gentle so you don't damage the flower. Another fun fact, balloon flowers can live for many years. Some gardeners say theirs have lasted more than a decade. Once they settle in, they're loyal plants that stick around. People grow balloon flowers mostly for their beauty. Those star-shaped blooms look amazing in gardens, borders, and containers. They come in colors like blue, purple, pink, and white. Blue is the most famous because it's one of the truest blue flowers you can grow. So that's your close-up look at balloon flowers, where they come from, how to care for them, and what makes them special, and why they're such fun plants to grow. They're tough, they're colorful, and they're full of personality. And if you love plants with a little magic, this is the one that's definitely worth rescuing and growing. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.